Science, class, with Mr. Faraz Ahmed. Hello, class. Materials needed for class: pencils, markers, crayons, safety goggles, gloves, latex-free or vinyl, aprons or lab coats, kid-sized, measuring spoons and cups, rulers and measuring tapes, thermometers, alcohol-based, not mercury, timers or stopwatches, magnifying glasses. Materials, component, positiveness, discussion, worksheet. Rules provide the structure necessary for an engaging and productive class. Keep it simple and easy to follow. It can be general to cover different situations or very specific to your students. Class, objective and rules. Lesson, for today. Concept and definitions. 1. Observation. Definition, using your senses, like seeing, hearing, or touching, to learn about the world. Example, watching how plants grow over time. 2. Experiment. Definition, a test you do to find out how something works. Example, mixing baking soda and vinegar to see what happens. 3. Hypothesis. Definition, a smart guess about what you think will happen in an experiment. Example, I think the balloon will pop if I add too much vinegar. 4. Conclusion. Definition, what you learn after doing an experiment and looking at the results. Example, the plant grew faster in sunlight. Life science, biology. 5. Living things. Definition, things that grow, eat, breathe, and reproduce, like people, plants, and animals. 6. Habitat. Definition, the place where an animal or plant lives. Example, a frog's habitat is a pond. 7. Photosynthesis. Definition, how plants make their own food using sunlight. 8. Ecosystem. Definition, a community of living things and their environment working together. Physical science, chemistry and physics. 9. Matter. Definition, anything that takes up space and has weight, solid, liquid, or gas. 10. Energy. Definition, what makes things move or change. Types, light, heat, sound, and electricity. 11. Force. Definition, a push or a pull that makes something move. 12. Gravity. Definition, the invisible force that pulls everything toward the Earth. Earth and space. Science. 13. Weather. Definition, what the sky and air are like each day, sunny, rainy, windy, etc. 14. Planet. Definition, a large round object in space that moves around a star, like Earth around the Sun. 15. Moon. Definition, a rock that orbits, goes around, a planet. 16. Water cycle. Definition, how water moves through the sky, land, and ocean, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Exercise 1. Match the definitions. Instructions, match the word to its correct definition. Words. Definitions. 1. Hypothesis A. The force that pulls things down to Earth. 2. Gravity. B. The place where an animal or plant lives. 3. Habitat. C. A smart guess about what will happen in an experiment. 4. Force. D. A push or a pull that makes something move. Right finger answer key. 1 right pointing arrow C, 2 right pointing arrow A, 3 right pointing arrow B, 4 right pointing arrow D. Exercise 2. Life science, true or false. Instructions, write true or false next to each sentence. 1. All living things need water to survive. Underscore underscore underscore. 2. Plants make food using sunlight in a process called gravity. Underscore underscore underscore. 3. A habitat is where an animal lives. Underscore underscore underscore. 4. Rocks and water are living things. Underscore underscore underscore. 5. Trees are living things. Underscore underscore underscore. Right finger answer key. 1 right pointing arrow true, 2 right pointing arrow false, 3 right pointing arrow true, 4 right pointing arrow false, 5 right pointing arrow true. Exercise 3. Physical science, fill in the blanks. Instructions, fill in the missing words from the box. Word bank, matter, energy, solid, gas, liquid. 1. Water in the form of ice is a blank. 2. Air is an example of a blank. 3. Blank is what makes things move or work. 4. Blank takes up space and has weight. 5. Juice is a type of blank. Right finger answer key. 1 right pointing arrow solid, 2 right pointing arrow gas, 3 right pointing arrow energy, 4 right pointing arrow matter, 5 right pointing arrow liquid. Exercise 4. Earth and space, multiple choice. Instructions: circle or choose the correct answer. 1. Which one is a planet? 2. A. Sun. 3. B. Earth. 4. C. Moon. Answer: B. Earth. 2. What causes day and night? A. Rain. B. The Earth's rotation. C. The moon. Answer: B. The Earth's rotation. 3. What do we call frozen water falling from clouds? A. Rain. B. Snow. C. Fog. Answer: B. Snow. 5. What is the moon? A. A star. B. A sun. C. A rock that orbits Earth. Answer: C. A rock that orbits Earth. Worksheet. Question 1. Name 3 things all living things need to survive. Question 2. What is matter? Can you name 3 forms of matter? Write down your answer in comment. Class. Recap. Discussion point. Ask students the following open-ended questions to spark reflection and understanding. 1. What was your favorite part of today's science class? Why? 2. Encourages self-expression and helps you see what interests them most. 3. Can someone explain what a hypothesis is in your own words? 4. Checks understanding of scientific thinking. 5. Why do you think plants need sunlight? 6. Connects life science to real-world observations. 7. What do you think would happen if there was no gravity? 8. Promotes critical thinking in physical science. 9. Who can describe how the water cycle works using the words evaporation, condensation, and precipitation? 10. Reinforces earth science vocabulary. 11. If you could do any experiment, what would it be? 12. Builds curiosity and creativity. Thank you for today. See you in the next class.